Meaning of flexible.
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 Flexible. Flexible refers to the ability to adapt or change according to different situations and circumstances. It suggests the quality of being pliable, resilient, and able to handle a variety of challenges. A person who is flexible can adjust easily to changes in plans, demonstrate versatility, and think creatively to problem solve. For an object, flexible means it can bend or move without breaking. Being flexible can lead to greater success in work and personal life as it allows for greater adaptability and resilience.